Everyone has seen this before, Narcan. This box is great because you open it up and it tells you exactly how to give it. All the instructions are right here for you. This is going to be the key to save a life.
We as a school district wanted to be prepared as we possibly can in the event, God forbid, this were to ever happen in our school district, that we were ready to help save somebody's life.
I think it should be on campus. Lately there's been a lot of kids, not in this district, but in many other districts that have been overdosing at school. So I feel like that would be an amazing plus just to have that for safety.
I think it's a good subject to teach to students because you never know what could happen.
Since it's something that could be able to help from overdosing, definitely it could be able to help give more knowledge of those so that if someone has overdosed, they know how to operate it.
The new district policy is in response to a national surge in fentanyl overdoses that has hit home in the San Gabriel Valley.
Across all age groups, it was nearly 13-fold increase between 2016 and 2021 in the fentanyl overdose burden here in LA County. And for youth, individuals aged 17 and younger, we saw an 8-fold increase between 2018 and 2021. So there really is no age group that has been spared the fentanyl overdose crisis here in LA County.
And youth, in many cases, do not know they are taking the deadly drug. According to the Center for Disease Control, fentanyl is often mixed in other prescription opioids because it is inexpensive and tasteless.
Teenagers are getting a hold of fentanyl typically when they buy drugs that they may not even know to be fentanyl. So when somebody buys a pill that they think might be an opioid or a sedative, those pills are increasingly likely to be pressed with fentanyl.
The California Department of Public Health reports 224 deaths among teens ages 15 to 19 in California in 2021, and the number has only been growing. Having Narcan on site is one step to save the student lives in the case of an emergency at school. The CDC reports that a small dose of fentanyl can cause a deadly reaction quickly. Detective Esquivel of the Covina PD provides education to the Covina community about the dangers of buying unprescribed drugs.
I believe there's many ways we could protect our citizens and community against this crisis. Again, it's by education, just knowing the dangers of it, like knowing that 1 to 2 milligrams of fentanyl could cause an overdose, knowing that 99.9% of prescription pills out on the street are fake.
Covina Valley School District is also providing parent education and mental health support, getting to the root of why teens choose to take drugs in the first place.
Many people that use drugs out of some sense of suffering or out of some sense of wanting excitement or more. And either way, reaching out for help outside of ourselves can be life-saving.